If you don't like injections but still want youthful skin, then this collagen cream is your new best friend. Introducing our revolutionary collagen cream that promises instant skin rejuvenation without a single needle in sight. What makes it so special? First off, it's based on natural animal fat. Sounds weird, right? But this magical ingredient mimics your skin's natural sebum, ensuring deep absorption where you need it most. No harmful emulsifiers here. Our cream melts at body temperature, which means it penetrates deeply into your skin layers, delivering all that collagen goodness right where it belongs. And guess what? It's so natural you could actually eat it. Yep, every ingredient is edible and beneficial for your skin, joints, and overall health. But wait, there's more. Pair this fantastic cream with ice therapy for an instant lift and tighten effect. Apply the cream, then glide an ice cube over your skin to see immediate results. Firmer, younger-looking skin in minutes. This isn't just skincare, it's a revolution in your daily routine. Use it daily to reduce wrinkles, restore lost volume, and bring back that youthful glow. So if you're ready to turn back time naturally, give our collagen cream a try. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare secrets, and drop a comment below. Would you dare to eat your skincare?